So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I am going to do a quick haul. Quick unboxing. This brand is from Touch Beauty. And ipopost ko muna kasi parang may dadaan na aeroplano guys. So disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share this beauty device from Touch Beauty. So yan, hindi to this is from my own packet. And alam niyo naman na nakaugalian ko na when I was working at Sephora Kuwait. We are reviewing, or I'm doing a review from a certain products, lalo na yung mga gratis. But this one is a device, so usually yon, bumibili talaga ako para I can explain to the customers yung item. So yan, while daldal ako ng daldal. So this one guys is probably made in China. Alam niyo naman na everything is made in China. Parang God created everything, but most of the items are made in China. Yun ba yun? Correct niyo na lang ako. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, this is designed by Shaki Murata. I think he's a Japanese guy. So, ito siya. Ito yung tsura niya. Kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. And, this is what you called the microcurrent facial roller. So, this is not an ordinary facial roller. Actually, matagal nang uso si facial roller eh. Meron nga nito sa Sephora. I don't know why I didn't buy when I was still in Kuwait. Kasi siguro dahil I'm not focusing on myself that time. Hindi ako, alam niyo guys, papatayin ko muna to. Yun, hindi ako nakapokus gaano sa self ko before. But this time, I'm doing self-love. And ipopost ko muna to because bubuksan na natin siya. So guys, hindi pala siya na-post. So, i-cut ko na lang yung yung nakataob, while nakataob yung cellphone. So, ito siya. Actually, it's a plastic, pero this one is a solar. Ito. Solar to guys. So, yun yung parang nagpo-produce ng microcurrent. And this one, you can even use dito sa leeg for the lymph nodes, to release yung lymph nodes. And then sa dito kung payat ka, pwede din naman sa arms to parang to cellulites. And may bigger size nito, but that is available lang sa other brand. Parang nakita ko siya sa Refi na brand, and that is little bit expensive kasi that is made of platinum. Ito kasi plastic lang siya. Ito guys, plastic. So, pag nagtagal, nakita ko doon sa tester nila, parang medyo nagbabakbak yung pag hindi mo siya, pag di mo siya na take care ng proper handling, yun. Ang alam ko, bawal tong punasan ng tissue. Pwede lang siya sa mga lint clothes. So, may dadaanan naman na aeroplano. So, moving on, merong box dun sa gilid, and bubuksan natin. I think ito yung, dito nakalagay yung, what do you call this? Itong kanyang, ayun, meron siyang pamunas, and then itong holder. Holder ba tawag dito? I don't know what you call this one. So, yun, meron siyang pouch. Ayun, this is the pouch. Nahulog kasi yung yung panlinis. So, ito yung panlinis siya. Buti na lang may free siyang panlinis. Yan. So, this is the, for cleaning the tools. Kasi nga yun nga, bawal nga siyang, I don't know if bawal siyang basain. And, ayun, ang niya, ang soft nito. So, I think pwede rin tong panlinis. Basta hindi pwedeng panlinis ang tissue. So, let us read some of the instructions. So, TV-1682, yun yung model niya. Microcurrent facial roller. So, it's a mild microcurrent, helps to firm the skin. So, dahil nga tayo ay in the aging stage na, and ako ay nakahabol pa sa millennials. The millennials start, ang year ng millennials is 1980. So, a 70 inches V-shaped lifting design. So, ito yun guys. Yung 70 degrees pala. Ayan. Medyo malabo na kasi yung mata natin. So, this is 70 degrees shaped lifting design. Tapos, 360 degrees spinning rollers. Strengthen the lifting effect. And it has the built-in solar panel, environmentally friendly. Ayun, pwede siyang linisan ng tubig by water. Ayun, o. Yan. And then, yun, so far, yun nga, nasabi ko na, this is made in Shenzhen, China. Yan siya. Ayun pala. This is the official sponsor of Miss Model of the World. Kinikita nyo. Sana nababasa nyo. So, wala pa akong personal review about this product. But, ito kasi yung parang except for the jade rollers, no? So, marami nang lumalabas na gadgets na ganito. So, meron si Guess K. Si Guess K is medyo pricey. Wala pa tayong pambili. And, yun nga, this is mainly for my... Nagkaroon ako ng sculpted jawline. Before, I don't have jawline. If you will watch my previous vlogs, talagang masyuba ako, guys. And, for your information, I am currently here in the Philippines. So, yun, for good na ako, guys. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, bagong color ang hair ko dahil we have a pictorial on September 5. So, I don't know kung mabablog ko yon. So, medyo tayo, ang peg natin dito is si Miss Bea Alonso. Diba? Ayan. So, I think that's it for today's vlog. Nakalimutan ko yung price nito, guys. I'm not so sure kasi wala siyang tag. Dahil pinabili ko siya dun from one of the person na nagkatrabaho dito. Siyempre, gusto natin medyo makatipid tayo. Dahil wala naman tayong pa-discount, ba diba? So, yon, i-disclose ko na lang kung sino yon. And yun, medyo nakatipid ako. And kasi nga, I would like to review by, parang personally, gusto ko siyang itry. Siguro yung ibang brand, I don't know kung makakabili ako. Pero meron pa yung isa, yung microcurrent, yung Happy Skin. So, gusto ko yung itry yun. Pero medyo pricey siya. It's 2,500. Pero meron naman siyang discount na 10%. Ewan ko, but not now. Tatry ko siya. So, I think that's it for today's vlog. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys. God bless. So, guys, pahabol lang. Merong instruction manual inside kasi late ko na nakita. So, basahin nyo na lang. Hindi ko na siya babasahin in this vlog. Nandito lahat yung mga precautions, yung mga bawal. And, yung most important na lang yung sasabihin ko, before using the device, make it sure na charge nyo siya under the sun. Kasi nga, it's a solar panel. So, yun lang guys.